Hi everyone. Today I'll be doing the fourth and final episode of Halloween Series 2021. This is week 4. This week I want to dedicate the recipe to Edgar. You may have seen Edgar in week 2. So here is Edgar and his dog Howard. Now I had a different video in mind, but Edgar thought I should do another video with the pizza skull pan. He wanted me to show how versatile it is. It's not just for the pizza skulls. You can use it for a number of different recipes. So today I'm making pumpkin chili and cornbread skulls. So what all goes into the pumpkin chili? 1 pound ground beef. This is 2 1/4 pounds, so I will only be using a little less than half. 1 green pepper diced, 1 onion diced, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 15-ounce can pumpkin puree, 1 15-ounce can pinto beans not drained, 1 15-ounce can black beans not drained, 1 28-ounce can diced tomatoes not drained, regular or fire roasted. I decided I wanted to use fire roasted and I couldn't find the 28-ounce can, so I got 2 of the 14.5-ounce cans. Salt and pepper to taste, and olive oil. What all do we need to make the cornbread skulls? 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup milk, and 1/4 cup vegetable oil. So let's begin. First thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 400. Alright, so we'll be making the pumpkin chili and the cornbread skulls, and I will be making them back and forth. I'll try not to confuse you, but more importantly, I'll try not to confuse myself. Alright, so I already greased the pan, and I used Baker's Joy that's got flour in it. Alright, so now we'll be getting started on the chili. Take a large pot, dump in your ground beef. Add your 1 diced green peppers and your 1 diced onions and brown that. Add a drizzle of olive oil. As the hamburger starts to brown, add your 1 tablespoon of chili powder, your 1 tablespoon of cumin, your 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and your 1 teaspoon of onion powder, dash of salt, and a dash of pepper, and the salt and pepper is to your taste. And mix that all up. While the hamburger's browning, we can get started on our cornbread skulls. You want to add your 1 cup of cornmeal, the 1 cup of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that to combine. That aside, and take a medium bowl, add the egg, and I'm going to break that up just a little bit there. The 1/4 cup of oil, the 1 cup of milk, and the 1/3 cup of sugar, and whisk that until thoroughly combined. Take your dry ingredients and add your wet ingredients to that, and stir that until just moistened. Don't overmix. Okay, I'm going to set that aside and get back to my chili. So the hamburger is browned and has been for just a little bit because I was doing the cornbread. Then you want to add your pumpkin puree and your undrained beans. Stir that up. Kind of looks Halloween-like with the black beans and the orange pumpkin. And then add 28 ounces of diced tomatoes and mix that up. Then cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Next we'll take our skull pan and fill it with the cornbread. So it looks like it only made 5. I'll spread these out just a little bit. And put them in a preheated 400-degree oven for 17 minutes. So here is the pumpkin chili, and here is the cornbread skull. Dave likes his cornbread in his chili, so we'll just set him right there. And we'll go see what Dave thinks about it.
Now this is cute. That's cornbread?
It's cornbread.
That is cool look. Cool looking cornbread. And this is?
Pumpkin chili.
Pumpkin chili, okay. I can't really say I taste the pumpkin. I don't know. It's good though, and the cornbread's good. He's looking at me like I did something wrong. I don't know, but anyway, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.